Hey guys, Jordan here. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the DJI Air 2S as well as comparing it to the Mavic Pro 2 and the Air 2. So let's do this. This is going to be just uncut one take here. All right, so I did get the Air 2. So it seems like they dropped the Mavic portion of it. Maybe they did it on the other one. I just didn't notice. So this is the Mavic Air 2S. Sorry, not Mavic. Sorry. DJI Air 2S Fly More combo. And as a real estate photographer, videographer, I always get the Fly More bundles because you need more than one battery. And yeah, anyways. So let's dive right into the box here. The packaging on this is pretty nice. I kind of wish it was a little bit more earth-friendly, I guess you would say. It is nice. I think DJI's packaging is almost on par with Apple's. All right, so took off the plastic. Do they have a tab to pull this thing open? Oh, they're just two plastic. Actually, yeah, you can pull. They do have little pull things for the plastic. All right, I think that should be it for the scissors. So nice, airtight. Come on. It's like anticipation here. All right, so just a kind of nice. It's got some padding on the top of the thing. All right, so we have the package. It's not bundled like the Air and actually the Mini 2 as well. Comes out like that. So I do a lot of, I'm the founder and CEO of Lister Pros, a real estate media company, but I also do a lot of R&D, research and development. So I always test all the new drones and equipment to see if we want to implement it into our business. All right, let's look at the accessories box before I get in here. Let's see if I can. All right, there's a tab here. If you're looking for a spicy cut up version of an unboxing, this definitely is not the video. All right, so we got the accessory guide, standard stuff, standard attachments for the controller. I usually don't use because I like using the smart controller. All right, USB-C charging cable. What's in this little pouch? One thing I did not get with this, which you may want to consider, was they were selling $100 ND filters. I wonder what is in here. This looks like, oh, okay, never mind. I'm pretty sure on their website it said ND filters an extra $100, but it comes with 4 ND filters. So that's awesome because that was one of my concerns with this drone, is it is a fixed f2.8, and sometimes you want to control the shutter speed a little bit on some shoots, and that gives you the way to do it. All right, so we got the little things for the controller. It comes with oh my gosh, a lot of blades. They're individually wrapped, so you got labeled B's and A's, so they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 6 blades each, so you got, yeah, so you basically got 3 sets, which is awesome. All right, that's it for the accessories. Now let's break into the box, pull out the drone. All right, so first impressions, it feels like the Air 2 form factor, although it is different with these sensors on the top, but from a size, side by side, very similar. All right, we'll compare more in a bit. What does this say? Please charge to activate the battery before using this for the first time. All right, I'm not gonna put all the propellers on. I don't want to waste your time with all that. But yeah, this feels, it is basically an Air 2 S version. So let's get into, you know, the sensors are cool. I think it's just the two front ones that are different. Yeah, the bottoms, if you look at the bottoms, here, I'll open up this one as well. I think the bottoms look identical. So this is the 2S and the Air 2. And all right, let's take off the cover. And now, yeah, it's definitely a bigger camera. But the camera on this, even though it's a pretty small sensor, sorry, I got a piece of tape stuck on my finger, is still relatively big. It's not like it adds a whole bunch of space right there. But let's compare it to the Hasselblad on the Mavic 2 Pro. Let me look. It is slightly smaller. Yeah, it is definitely smaller. I would say it's 75% of the size. But the design is very similar to the camera on the Mavic 2 Pro. I like these newer ones because they make it real easy to take off and put on the ND filter. You just slide them out. Yeah, it's the same way as before. So I guess, you know, there are some differences that I highlighted in another video that I'm excited for about this video, but I'm not going to get into all the specs. This is just an unboxing and kind of a comparison. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Now, what they always do is change up the batteries. This is like literally an identical drone, but I would probably guess that the batteries aren't interchangeable. Let's take a, hold on a second. This is Mavic Air 2 battery. Can we use this? Did DJI do it? Yes. The batteries, if you have an Air 2 and you want this one, you can use the batteries, it looks like. Let me just make sure that the model numbers are the exact same. I don't want to mess it up, but looking at it, yeah, it's the same part number. Yeah, same exact. So awesome. So nice job, DJI. There's been some times where, like when they went from the Mini to the Mini 2, I was like, oh, the batteries should be the same. Nope, batteries are not the same. All right, let's see what else is in here. I'm assuming the controller is going to be the same. All right, so we do have sticks here as well in the bottom. And yeah, this is just the same controller that comes with the Air, the Mini 2. I actually like this controller. I just prefer the Smart controller. And what's in here? It's probably the, since it probably is the exact same charger then. So we got a couple batteries. Whoa, what is this? Let's see if there's anything extra in here. I think that was just padding. So 2 batteries. Box is empty, and this is probably the USB. Yeah. So you can charge your phone or whatever using a DJI battery, which is smart and nice to have. And then this is the exact same charger as the Air 2. Yep, so everything even says Mavic Air 2. They didn't do anything different. So it's basically the same drone, just like upward, I guess they say 4D upward sensing sensors, I guess you would say, and the bigger camera. So that's going to be where the test comes down to it, how it flies. It should be the same as the Air 2, which I really like how that drone does fly. So I'll be doing some videos and comparing how this thing flies compared to the other ones and ease of use in relation to real estate photography. So anyways, that's going to do it. So just from a size perspective, you can see if you have the Mavic 2 Pro, you know, it's the same size. It's just slightly, ever so slightly heavier than the Mavic Air. Form factor, basically identical, same battery. So awesome. I'm glad I got this drone. This could be the drone that we move to going forward. We shall see. I'll be posting out more videos on this drone this next week. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave them below. If you want to see my follow-up videos regarding this drone, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those. And we'll see you guys on the next one.